Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the unlimited number of features function on the Avenza Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the settings section you can find the fourth option, the map view, and here go to the last option, the unlimited number of features. The number of place mark, areas, tracks and lines displayed in the map view is restricted to keep the app responsive. Turn these settings on to remove this restriction. And if you want to enable, just click to the next car icon, and if it will be orange, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.